Join us as we take a deep dive into the top 5 electric guitars. We are going to cover everything you need to know. We strive to give you the best recommendations in terms of price, performance, and intended use. The products featured in this video are not presented in any particular order, so be sure to watch to the end to find the one which is perfect for you. As always, the links to the most up-to-date prices are in the description. Looking for a complete electric guitar set that has everything you need to get started? Look no further than the AODSK Solid Body Electric Guitar Kit. This kit includes a full-size electric guitar with a beautiful sunburst finish, equipped with a versatile pickup system and quality materials such as a laurel fingerboard and birch neck. It also comes with a 5W amplifier, tuner, spare strings, picks, strap, and more, all in one package. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this kit has got you covered. With its after-sales guarantee and commitment to customer experience, AODSK makes sure you're getting top-notch quality and service. Make your music journey extra special with the AODSK Solid Body Electric Guitar Kit. Araceli from the United States gave this product 5 stars and said, "It's super loud and has good sound quality. I do recommend the white color since it's super pretty. So your overall amazing guitar, I do recommend buying it." Looking for a stylish and versatile electric guitar that delivers top-notch performance? The Groter GR Standard S is the perfect choice for you. With its sleek matte finish on a poplar body, this guitar not only looks great but also produces a balanced tone with excellent resonance. The roasted maple neck and fingerboard provide stability, tonal clarity, and a smooth playing experience, ensuring long-lasting playability and rich tones. Equipped with a coil-splitting pickup, you can easily switch between warm single-coil tones and powerful humbucker sounds, allowing you to explore a wide range of sonic possibilities across genres. Featuring 22 stainless steel frets for precise intonation and durability, along with a convenient truss rod for easy adjustments, the GR Standard S offers enhanced performance and adjustability. And with its gig bag made from nano eco-friendly waterproof Oxford cloth and top-tier zinc alloy gun color zippers, you can enjoy convenient portability while ensuring both durability and aesthetic appeal. This electric guitar is truly a must-have for any musician looking for quality and style in one package. If you're a guitarist looking for freedom of movement without compromising on sound quality, the Lakato wireless guitar system is the perfect solution. This high-grade 5.8 GHz wireless system offers premium performance and anti-interference ability, ensuring a clear signal transmission with no lag or signal loss. With a range of about 100 meters, this system provides the freedom to rock out on stage without being tethered by cables. The built-in rechargeable lithium battery offers up to 5 hours of playtime and easy recharging with the included dual USB cable. And with plug-and-play functionality and support for simultaneous broadcasts on 4 channels, setting up for your next gig has never been easier. The 220 rotatable plug design makes it versatile and compatible with most electric guitars, bass guitars, and other electric music instruments. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to seamless, wireless performance with the Lakato wireless guitar system. Unleash your inner rockstar with the LYX Pro 39 SB Series electric guitar, your perfect companion on your musical journey. Designed for beginners, intermediate, and pro players alike, this LP-style guitar comes in a stunning sunburst finish that will make you stand out on stage. Crafted from mahogany wood for durability and superior sound quality, this guitar features volume and tone controls to customize your sound. The 3-way pickup selector allows you to switch between different tones effortlessly, while the sleek controls make it easy to fine-tune your playing. Whether you're strumming soft melodies or rocking out with intense chords, this guitar delivers rich, dynamic sound that will inspire your playing. Start your rock roll journey with the LYX Pro 39 SB Series electric guitar and discover the endless possibilities of music. Looking for an electric guitar kit that offers premium quality and superior craftsmanship? Look no further than the Tostar electric guitar kit. Made with a combination of poplar wood body, maple neck, and purple heartwood fretboard, this guitar offers exceptional resonance, fullness, and durability. The P90 style pickups deliver a warm tone perfect for various music styles like rock, funk, jazz, country, and blues. Their high-frequency vacuum drying technology ensures a clear and transparent sound, while the piano baking varnish adds smoothness to the touch and enhances durability. With high-quality alloy tuning machine and phosphor bronze strings, this guitar stays in tune easily. Complete with a 15mm padded gig bag, shoulder strap, extra strings, cable, 3 celluloid picks, and polishing cloth, the Tostar electric guitar kit is the perfect choice for guitar enthusiasts. We're glad you watched our video about the top 5 electric guitars and hope you found it helpful. Remember, all the links to the products in this video are in the description down below. If any of the links are broken, please let us know in the comments and we will fix it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching our video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.